Now we know you don't like drinking tap water because of the unpleasant taste, which is the chlorine, and that's added to sanitize our water to kill harmful bacteria. The taste of your tap water will vary depending on how much chlorine is used. If your health is compromised, you'll find you're more sensitive to that chlorine taste. You might have seen in the shower how your skin responds to it. It's a good enough reason not to drink it. We also know there are potentially harmful chemicals, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, fluorides, and more recently harmful PFOA chemicals in our water supply. If we want to feel safe drinking our tap water, we want them completely removed. Trihalomethanes, anyone? What few people know is that the chlorine added to our municipal water supply reacts with natural organics such as decaying vegetation, and this produces what is known as disinfection byproducts in the form of potentially harmful trihalomethanes or THMs. THMs can also be found as pollutants in our water supply because they're used in industrial solvents and for refrigeration. We definitely want these harmful THMs completely removed. Chloramines. Most of us are unaware of potentially harmful chloramines in our water supply. Chloramines are produced when ammonia is added at the water treatment plant to prolong the effectiveness of the chlorine and reduce chlorine's capability of forming THMs. Published research on the possible negative health effects of chloramines include skin irritations, digestive disorders, bladder and colon problems. So let's get them out. And the question is how? Well, it's carbon, but it's not just any carbon, it's the best carbon. We use the best carbon filter media in the world to ensure we have the highest level of ultrafiltration possible. Catalytic carbon is up to 8 times more effective than the carbon used in a standard water filter. Activated catalytic carbon chemically alters the chlorine molecules, converting them into an innocuous chloride salt. Now here's the boring science bit if you're interested. In general, basic activated carbon itself has some catalytic ability due to the presence of a small number of chemical functionalities present on the corners of its graphitical basal plate. You got all that? However, to really enhance the catalytic activity of carbon, the surface is modified by chemical process. The electronic structure, the atomic structure of the carbon is altered in such a manner that the resulting carbon offers enhanced catalytic capability. Catalytic carbon produced by this method isn't just rich in chemical absorption, but also physical absorption capability. So, what does all that mean to you? It means that this catalytic carbon media we use is far more effective at removing the chlorine and chemicals than ordinary granular or activated granular carbon. It'll definitely reduce chloramines and it will last for over 3,000 litres. That's 8 litres of water a day for 12 months. Now here's something exclusive we've done. It's called life of filter testing. We've tested our synergetic filter technology for over 3,000 litres at an independent water research laboratory to ensure that we can say we have 99.99% contaminant removal, apart from fluoride, which is very hard to get rid of, but in that test we managed 75%. So it's 99.99% for the complete capacity of the filtration system. You'll have safe to drink, healthy, alkaline, energized, hydrogen-rich water for at least the next year. And if you check below, you can click on the link and look at the laboratory test results.